the 2014 Chevrolet Traverse. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.